you day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself around you more than anybody else. And every day as a man after school, you know there's no one I love as much as you. Emily.
Hey, what's up you guys? So today's video is going to be a home decor video. This is our very first video for Christmas. It's really just going to be me giving you guys a tour of our house. Drop the comments down below, let me know what you guys think about our decor after I give you guys the tour. It's really simple. I'm a very simple person. I just like stuff to look cute and classy. I'm not with, you know, covering every area of the house. Oh, what's good, Damis squad? Welcome to our Christmas decor. Today is day 1 of December. We're not participating in Vlogmas, so this is not a Vlogmas video. This is actually a home decor video. A lot of you were requesting that I make a video of what our home was like for Christmas this year because everyone was saying how beautiful it was last year when we did the teddy bear prank and it was really basic. But this year I actually put a little more effort into it. The color schemes you're gonna see today is red, green, gold, and white. That was the theme I was going for this year. Everything came from Ross. So in any item you like, you can drop the comments down below. Let me know if you want prices, location, but everything definitely came from Ross, where you can dress for less. Like, everything was budget friendly. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to, you know, ball on a budget for Christmas this year. So we're gonna start with this area. I don't really know what things are called. I'm just like, oh, this is cute. So I'm assuming this is a candle holder because it's holding a candle. But the base was so pretty to me and it matched my whole theme that I was going for Christmas. I already had these crystals. I got these from Ross as well. And y'all know I always gotta incorporate something of God in my home because, you know, I don't want my kids to just be like, oh, Christmas is only about Santa Claus. So I also had to get this that says Glory to the Newborn King, which I also found at Ross. We have these little frames and crystals. So I got this from Bath & Body Works last year. These are my candle holders. This is frames that I actually got from Didi's discount last year. These were like, I still have the tags on them, so they're like $4.99 each. And I thought these were so cute the way it just blinged. It went with my silver decor, but I still kept it because it's cute. Oh, and this is our first family pictures. We're actually taking new pictures this year, so you guys will probably get a behind the scenes of that. Alright, so this is a family tree. It doesn't have pictures because I'm horrible in that area. I don't know if you're like me, where you always take pictures but never develop them or never print them out and never put them in frames. So this is what we have for now. Eventually it's gonna have family pictures filled into it. I got this over here. Excuse the crap right here, but I got this. I don't know why I got it, but I just needed something to go over the mirror. But I don't know if I too much like it. I'm debating on returning it. But it's here for now. We can start with the table. Everyone say hi to Ayden because Ayden wants to be in the video. Like to say hi. You want to be in the video, honey? Yeah. Okay, come here. Alright, so we have a table runner. This also came from Ross. I thought it was cute because it had the Christmas tree at the bottom. We have these candles.
Yes.
This centerpiece.
It looks cute, but it's okay for me.
We have these little.
And Santa's gonna give me a dog for me.
Oh, Santa's gonna give you a dog for Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay, Papa.
And Mom, a stranger just took the dog.
Ooh. Okay, Papa, can I just finish the video?
Okay.
Thank you. So these acorns and leaves and stuff, it all came in a bag. And all I did was open the bag and pour it into a bowl. So it was sold separately. So I just did this little ensemble on my own. We have this garland up here. It was like $16.99 each. So I do have it up on all of my blinds, mirrors, walls. This mirror used to be gold when we first got it. And since we switched up the whole color of the home, I decided to spray paint it silver on my own with the Home Depot spray. We've always had these little flowers from Dollar Tree, and I just got red, gold, and white, only to just match the theme of the house so far. I don't want to throw my bouquet away, so it's still riding out right now. She made them, I think, with like fake flowers, but the brooch on them just looks so nice. So I kept it. I don't know. So now we're gonna go to this area. This is my favorite area, you guys. So I feel like we don't walk on the rug with sandals. I'm gonna have to step out of them. But I got this fur rug from Ross. I love it. It's so soft. These pillows all came from Ross. Like, it's just, this one says Merry Christmas on it. I found these little ones. I found this one at one Ross, and then I was like, dang, I need another little beaded one, and I couldn't find it. And then I went to Ross another day and happened to find the other one plus this one. So that's how we have these. Okay, so this blanket, I actually got it from Bay, and it actually matches my Christmas theme. This is our first family photo. I got it for Mother's Day. My favorite blanket in this house. And I actually use it when I sit on the couch. I do like this. And now that we have this TV, we'll just be watching the TV up here. And we have like family nights up here. So yeah, we do plan on doing more family stuff on the couch with the kids, because this used to be that do not touch living room. But now this year, they can touch it. So this is our tree. Me and Ayden did this tree. Now me and Ayden are really lazy people when it comes to decoration. So the whole back side of my tree don't have any ornaments. The ornaments are really here because I got kind of lazy. So we have leftover balls. I don't think I'm ever going to decorate the back part because I feel like no one sees back there. So I just focus mainly on here. I have like really nice balls. They come closer, please. Thank you. Alright, so we have like greens, the reds, the golds, the whites. I got this star from Walmart. The ornament balls came from Dee Dee's. And this rug right here came from Ross. We got these. This is my fireplace. But we don't have the fire yet. We're gonna get it soon, don't worry about it. But this is my fireplace. My frames all came from Dee Dee's. This one still has the price tag on it because when I tried to take it off of this one, it gave me like this sticky thing. So someone told me to use water, so I'll use that once I'm ready to take pictures in it. I got these trees from Ross as well. I always had this from Ross. And this one I got from Dee Dee's. It was so cute. It was like a reindeer, so I just thought it would be cute to just put it right here. This is our first family picture that me, Bino, and Ahzee took before I ever had Ayden. So, this isn't really our Christmas decor, but we just like it because it was part of our home decor, so I saved it and put it down here. Alright, so the garlands up here, I thought this was pretty as well to have garlands on this side and against my walls. I love this piece right here. I actually got this from Pure One. It's not a part of our Christmas decor because I already had it as a centerpiece for our home decor, and it came with these little acorn type themes. It's like silver and our silver decor, but the balls and the acorns and leaves that's included in it, they just try to come in more. I got these from Ross, so I just placed them in just to add a little flair to it and make it more Christmas themed. But yeah, guys, that's just about it for our Christmas video decor. Let me know what you guys think. I love our decor. If you guys feel like it should have been more, or if it's just right, drop your comments down below. And again, everything did come from Ross, and it's very affordable. So if you need prices as well and locations, let me know as well. Thank you for watching. Peace.